Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your iPhone model, serial number, and purchase date in Settings General About. This verifies eligibility. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and confirm you're signed into your Apple ID because activation requires authentication. Next, decide which AppleCare Plus plan fits you: accidental damage only versus theft and loss, so you know what to select. Now open Settings and scroll to the AppleCare or Coverage section to start the activation flow immediately. You'll now follow the on-screen purchase flow. Tap the AppleCare or Coverage entry, pick your plan, and review what's covered plus any service fees. Make sure to read the terms. Once satisfied, add or confirm your payment method. Authorize the charge with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so Apple can bind the plan to this device. If the system asks, run the quick diagnostic check or complete a short remote inspection. These confirm device condition and finalize eligibility before activation. You finish by verifying activation. Look for the confirmation email and then open Settings General About or the Apple Support app to see coverage listed under AppleCare. Make sure to retain your proof of purchase and Apple ID details for any future claims or transfers. If activation doesn't appear, restart the iPhone, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and retry the purchase history check. If it still fails, contact Apple Support for immediate account and activation assistance to resolve authorization or eligibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.